Introducing these classic townhomes, a brand new townhomes here in Dasmariñas, Cavite. A marketing collaboration with Classic Group of Companies.
Good morning everyone! So we are here now in Dasmariñas, Cavite. For today's episode, i-present namin sa inyo ang panibagong brand new townhomes here for sale sa Dasmariñas, Cavite. So tara, check natin ang loob.
When you buy this property, the inclusions are cooktop, range hood, lighting fixtures, water closets, restroom, sink, shower, full tile flooring, and partial grass pavers. Property details are 1 master's bedroom with balcony, 2 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, living and dining area, modular kitchen, family area, laundry and kitchen area, and 1 car garage. We are only selling 2 to 3 units of this property.
So, welcome to your brand new home. So, ito yung pinaka-living room area. Yan, so pagpasok mo dyan. Let me inform you na 90% na ang construction nitong property. So, it's almost done na. It's almost complete. So, for now, ipakita ko muna sa inyo kung ano yung progress ng construction. So, from there, sa main door, ito yung living room area mo. And then, pagpasok mo dito, yan, dito yung pinaka-powder room, dito sa baba. And then, meron ka ditong countertop or dining, kitchen and dining, yan. So, then dito, ito yung pinaka guest room or pwede mo siyang gawing office. Yan. Tapos ito, napakalaki ng size ng kitchen mo kasi malapad. Ito yung pinakang daily kitchen and laundry area. So ito, ikaw na ang bahalang mag-decide kung ano yung ipapalagay mong roof. Pero napakalawak ng area, napakaaliwalas. So tara, check natin sa taas. So kung mapapansin nyo, mahogany ang gamit na wood materials dito. So dito tayo sa second floor, first bedroom. So may sukat to na 12 square meter. And then from there, ito yung magiging view mo dito sa taas. So, dito naman tayo sa iyong second toilet and bath. Dito sa second floor. This is your master's bedroom. So, you have your balcony, kasyang isang coffee table dyan. And also, ang size nitong bedroom mo is 16 square meter. So, ganito ang laki ng size. Ang view mo dito sa parking at dyan sa iyong neighborhood.
Ideally located, these townhomes are just minutes away from top commercial establishments like Robinson's Galleria, SM Dasmariñas, and making shopping and dining a breeze. For your convenience, UTC Boulevard Road, the nearby Calax provides the fastest route to major areas, ensuring you're always well connected. Education is also at your doorstep, with renowned universities like PCU, LaSalle, and Emilio Aguinaldo College.
So, the lot area of this property is 80 square meter and the floor area is 80 square meter. Meron tong isang bedroom dito sa baba, pwede niyong gawin na guest room or even office. And then sa taas, may another 2 room. Then sa taas is 16 yung master's bedroom and then 12 square meter yung isang bedroom for your kids. So, this property offer for a cash term payment and 90% na ang ongoing construction. So it's almost completed. So sa lahat ng gustong mag-inquire, sa lahat ng gustong mag-invest ng townhomes property na to, this is the right time for you to invest. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please do like, share, and subscribe for more. Bye!